And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. We're learning that caretaker Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been rushed to Jupiter Hospital in Thane as his health condition shows no sign of improvement. Doctors have advised full examination of his health and he may be admitted for further investigation. So, amid the suspense over Maharashtra Chief Minister, the latest update that is coming in from Maharashtra is that caretaker Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been rushed to the Jupiter Hospital in Thane as his health condition shows no sign of improvement. My colleague Srushti is now joining us with more details on this. Srushti, give us the latest update on Eknath Shinde's health.
Well, of course, caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been rushed to the Jupiter Hospital in Thane as his health is not improving. After the meeting in Delhi, New Delhi with Amit Shah, we have seen how he went to his village in Satara. He was there for almost 2 days. He wanted to take rest. He mentioned in a press conference as well that the election season was very hectic and that's why he wanted to rest. But even after coming from Satara to Mumbai, he has not conducted any meetings which were scheduled. All those meetings were cancelled. Mahayuti meeting was also scheduled and that was also cancelled because he was not well. Now what we are learning is that his health is not fine and he is rushed to the hospital. He is suffering from a high fever, throat infection, and there are certain issues. Because of that he is suffering from weakness as well. Now he is rushed to the hospital. The blood test will be done and doctors will examine the entire health condition of the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and after that we'll get to know what exactly is the issue with caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. But we have to understand the entire dynamics amidst the CM suspense in the state of Maharashtra. Here what we can learn is that the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is not well. There were speculations that he is little bit of upset with BJP not giving him the kind of plump positions he is opting for, and his leaders are pushing for. Importantly, that plump position is the Home Ministry. Now whether Eknath Shinde will accept the Deputy Chief Minister position, that remains to be seen, and importantly, will he get the Home Ministry? That also remains to be seen. But of course, amidst all this, what we can understand is that one leader of Mahayuti, Ajit Pawar, is in Delhi. He's trying to meet meet Amit Shah. He's still waiting to meet him. He's not getting his time, is what we can understand. And here, the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is not well. He is rushed to the hospital in Thane. Importantly, on 5th of December, there is a swearing-in ceremony which is supposed to take place. But amidst all this, suspense remains on the health of the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, as well as what dynamics will play out in the state of Maharashtra.
Also, Srushti, our sources tell us that the formal announcement on the Chief Minister's name could be made today. What is the latest update on that?
Well, of course, there was a meeting which was scheduled earlier of Mahayuti leaders. However, now Ajit Pawar is in Delhi. He's trying to meet Amit Shah. What we can understand from our sources is that he's also trying to get, that many ministries which Eknath Shinde faction would get, more or less ministries for him. That's what he's trying to, bargain with Amit Shah, and he is yet to meet Amit Shah for the same. But Eknath Shinde is not now well. Devendra Fadnavis is, of course, in Mumbai and he's meeting his leaders. But importantly, observers from the BJP High Command are coming to Mumbai. That is Nirmala Sitharaman and another top leader from BJP, and they will be conducting a meeting with all the MLAs
Srushti,
of BJP
thank you for those details. We'll come back to you for more updates. As of now,